What is digital currency? I'm Spencer Dinwiddie, and by the end of this video, you'll know what digital currency is, how it works, and how you can use it in your everyday life. Before email, everyone sent paper letters through the mail. Before streaming, everyone rented DVDs or VHS tapes to watch movies. But technology and innovation have improved the way we interact and entertain. And that's exactly what digital currency is doing for money and finance. Digital currency is what it sounds like, a form of money or asset that only exists virtually. Just like money or stocks, digital currencies have value that changes based on their usefulness, the number of people who own them, and the amount of people that invest in them. Different digital currencies are used for different things. Some, like Bitcoin, are similar to gold and work best as a store of value, or for large purchases like cars and real estate. There's a limited amount available, which means one day the supply will run out, so its value is based on supply and demand. Other coins like Bitcoin Cash and LITECOIN are more suitable as a medium of exchange. They're not worth as much as Bitcoin, but their fast transactions make more sense for buying little things like a cup of coffee. Still, other digital currencies like US dollar stablecoins were created as digital versions of the US dollar. This means they hold their value at $1 per coin, and you can use them for online transactions anywhere in the world. You don't have to worry about bank wires, expensive fees, or using third-party services. Instead, you can use digital dollars to make purchases from anywhere in the world instantly. They're so effective that central banks of many countries are making their own digital currencies, called central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs for short. The main difference is that these official coins will be centralized or owned by a government. On the flip side, the other digital currencies we're talking about are decentralized, meaning that nobody manages them except the people who use them. There's also a whole new world of decentralized finance, or DeFi, that's changed the traditional financial system. The old school way to buy a car meant getting a loan from a financial institution. But check this. With DeFi, a peer-to-peer lending structure means a group of people anywhere in the world can loan you their digital currency, and you can cash it out to buy the car. This removes the need for banks or other middlemen, giving everybody equal access to financial services. DeFi eliminates discrimination over race, gender, sexual orientation, or anything else. You can also use specific digital coins and tokens in video games to sell your art, create secure contracts, and many more everyday uses. So how does digital currency get created? A lot of them work with blockchain, which is a digital ledger that records and verifies transactions. This ledger is often public, but encrypts private information with cryptography, like a secret message, so we call those coins cryptocurrencies. People around the world called miners race to solve equations with super fast computers. The winner gets rewarded with the newly minted digital coins created during this mining process. You don't have to know the technical details. I don't understand how my email gets delivered, but I do know that when I press send, it appears in your inbox. If you'd like to learn more about how it works, you can definitely do your own research. So whether you want to invest, purchase, lend, borrow, game, create art, or make a deal, there's a digital currency for you. To learn more, follow CoinCloud on social media at CoinCloudDCM. If you have questions, you can call, text, or email their live client support team 24/7.